To set the screen motion smoothness to adaptive or standard refresh rate on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, first let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and from here, tap on display. Then scroll down and tap on motion smoothness. From here, you can choose adaptive or standard. For adaptive, you get a smoother animations and scrolling by automatically adjusting the screen refresh rate up to 120 Hz. For standard, it is only using up to 60 Hz, and hence you will get a longer battery life. So select adaptive if you want to have very smooth animations, otherwise standard for a longer battery life. So select one of the options, then tap on applied. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.